Ariana Grande is very sad about her split from Pete Davidson. The Dangerous Woman hitmaker says she is just trying very hard to keep going in the wake of her breakup from the Saturday Night Live star. In an Instagram story, which has since been deleted, she wrote, "Time to say bye-bye to the internet for just a little bit. It's hard not to bump news and stuff that I'm not trying to see right now. It's very bad and we're all trying very hard to keep going. Love you and thank you for being here always." Meanwhile, Ariana previously confessed she has been suffering from anxiety in the wake of her split. Sources previously claimed the news of her ex-boyfriend Mac Miller's death left her emotionally unavailable. Sick of these promos? Like us and subscribe so we won't have to make up any new ones.